skin is the best makeup tip. While we do a lot of things to keep our skin healthy by eating right, following a right lifestyle pattern, there are few things we should do at the external part of the skin to keep it young, glowing and nourished. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekta. In today's video, I'm going to try a brand new range from a very well-known brand, Wow Skincare, and I'm going to share my first-hand experience trying out these different skincare products to fit my skincare CTM regime. So before we start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and do hit the bell notification icon so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified and you can watch. Vitamin C, as we know, is a widely popular ingredient that not just helps in cleansing your skin deeply but also helps in tightening your pores and providing good moisture and nourishment to your skin. Vitamin C is quite helpful in reducing fine lines and give that certain kind of tightness to your skin. In this video, I'm going to review the 4 different products from the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range. You might wonder if I'm just another blogger endorsing the Wow Skincare Science. Well, that's not the case, because I have been seeing a lot of people talking about this particular brand and I was very curious to try, for the simple reason that these products are free from any kind of chemicals, they are free from parabens, sulfates, etc. B, very important reason if you are following my channel, that these products are all cruelty free. Yes, they are not being tested on animals as claimed by the brand. And C, this brand is totally 100% made in India. So the very first product is this very interesting looking vitamin C face wash, which comes with an inbuilt brush over here. This not just helps in cleaning your skin but also helps in some kind of a minor microdermabrasions. I so much love this form factor, especially the brush over here. This is, one of its kind product, especially in the Wow Skin Science that I have seen, where a face wash comes with an inbuilt brush, and that's quite impressive for me. This is very easy to use. All you have to do is just remove this plastic cover, wet your face with water and just press 2 pumps of this face wash like this, and apply it all over your face in a circular motion. It's very easy to apply. The product says that you can use it for 1 to 2 minutes. However, I suggest that use it for less than 1 minute, and it really helps you in cleaning all the dirt and grime away from your face. The overall application feels very smooth and I totally love the experience while trying it. This is something I'm definitely gonna keep with me and going to try this, especially for removing my makeup. It has a very nice mild citrusy kind of fragrance and I totally loved the way it cleansed my face. The brush is quite soft in nature, but I would still suggest that you should apply it with a very light hands on your face. And if you're somebody who has a lot of acne problems, you should be more careful about using this one. I'm not sure whether you can, apply this, but if you are somebody with oily combination skin and less acne, I'm sure you are going to love this product as much as I did. Next product is this vitamin C facial mist toner. It is infused with lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel and aloe vera extract. I totally love the fragrance of it. The moment I sprayed it all over my face, it gave me such a nice feeling, such a very citrusy kind of a feeling. I totally love the effect, so that I kind of went overboard using this product. Yes, I sprayed a little too much and I need it, but just allow it to automatically dry for a few seconds, less than a minute. You can tap it on your cheeks, you can tap it behind your ear, you can also apply this all over your decollet. This has a very nice mild refreshing kind of finish. The third product is this very interesting vitamin C serum, which has 20% of vitamin C. Yes, the reason why I emphasize 20%, because a lot of serums they boast of certain ingredient, but you will find barely 1% or 2% of that ingredient in that particular product. But this brand claims to have 20% of vitamin C in this particular serum. It's again a very easy to use product. Once your toner settles down, all you have to do is pump few drops from this serum, spread it all over your face. You can dot it all around your face and spread it evenly in a circular motion. Once again, you can dab it behind your ears, under your jawline and your decollet as well. It does absorb very quickly into your skin without leaving any stickiness behind. The glass bottle packaging and the pump kind of applicator makes it very easy and hygienic to use for everyone, and anytime you can use this. The fourth product is a very interesting looking face cream. I know you must be wondering why I am calling it a very interesting face cream. It is a face cream, it has a vitamin C. This comes with this very interesting pump kind of an applicator which helps you preventing or dipping your entire finger into cream, making it very unhygienic, trust me. By using this kind of a pump applicator, you have to simply press it twice and thrice and take as much amount of cream as required. Another beautiful thing that I liked about this cream is the emollient level. It is very smooth, it spreads very easily, and it does get absorbed very quickly. I have used two different products to moisturize my skin, yet there are no oily traces on my face, and it does get absorbed very easily. So well, those were the four different skincare products I tried from the Wow Skin Science vitamin C range, and I kind of liked all of them equally. However, I do have my favorites. I did like the face wash a lot because of the unique applicator. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to replace my current skincare products with all these four products from Wow Skincare vitamin C range for a week, and let's see how good it works for me. You can always find the update on my Instagram channel. My Instagram is Ekta Ketan. Follow me there for more beauty, lifestyle, travel, and all things that matter kind of updates. So well, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you like this video and find it useful, helpful, and conducive for your skincare. Remember, a good skin is the best makeup to be in. So keep your skin healthy, clean, and well nourished. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye.